Now, let's shift our attention to perhaps the most important part of our legend series, the latch. It's practical, easy to use, and yet very hard for the horse to figure out how to open, and we all know that they will try. You will also notice how this latch lays behind the door. This is really important. Basically, there's nowhere for the horse to get caught on. No sharp edges, nothing that can actually catch the horse, cut, scratch, or impact anything negatively. One of the things that we like to show our customers is our ability to secure this door in various positions. This is really nice. When you're cleaning a stall, you can secure this door open, and you can come and go without having to worry about the horse getting out. Or maybe you have a vet who needs to move in and out of the stall multiple times without worrying about the horse leaving the stall. These latches are an example of the small details we focus on to improve your experience at the barn and ensure your investment lasts a long time, all designed with safety top of mind.